Hey there YouTube family. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Blackhole app so you can do a screen capture and capture the audio from the internal video source, along with and while you're using your USB microphone to capture the audio as well simultaneously. Alrighty folks, before you do anything you'll want to go to this link I put right here in red, and you'll want to go to download the Blackhole app. Once there you'll see a page that looks like this. Go ahead and go down to this link right here. Click on this link and it'll take you to this Blackhole page here. What you'll want to go ahead and do is, I'm on a Mac. If you're on a Mac, go ahead and go down to this area and go to download. It's going to ask you, hey, can you donate anything? But if you can't afford it, just go ahead and click on this. Pop in your email address and your name and stuff like that. It'll send you a link. Go to your email. Okay, once you're in your email, you're going to click on the link that is provided to you, then it's going to take you here. And you're going to go ahead and click on the Blackhole 2 channel. It'll dump right down into your downloads. It'll actually look like this. Go ahead and unpack it. Go to the whole steps and click on agree. Okay, I'm obviously not going to go through all the steps because I already did it, but you'll want to go through all the steps to download this app. Once you've actually done this, you want to hit your spotlight, which you can go ahead and hit Command Spacebar and type in audio, and audio MIDI setup will pop up. Just go ahead and click on that. Okay, and then this will pop up. I went ahead and already made these two steps here. These won't be here. The aggregate device or multi-output device will not be here. So what you want to do is click on this and hit both of these here. Now I'm going to, just as an example, I'm going to click one and just add another one. It's going to look exactly like this. You're going to want to make it look exactly like this and select these two. Make sure the Blackhole channel 2 is on top and USB audio is on the bottom. Now keep in mind, this is on the assumption that you already have a USB microphone, an external microphone, so this is going to work well. So go down here and click Blackhole first and then the USB audio for the aggregate device. Now since I already made mine up here, I'm going to go ahead and remove this one here, and I'm going to add this multi-output device. Just go ahead and hit this plus sign, click on multi-output device, and you're going to copy mine as well, these two steps. Go ahead and put Blackhole on top and built-in output on the bottom, just like that. You're going to want to open up QuickTime and select screen recording. Click this little drop down arrow here and go ahead and select aggregate device. Now I took a screenshot of this since I'm already recording on it. As you can hear, I'm already doing that, so click on that before you actually hit the record button, okay? And it's going to select your internal input, also your USB microphone down here. Now it's not going to show up, but it's going to be capturing both the on-screen audio and your microphone at the same time. This is also pretty important. So if these little icons, the bottom right corner here, are up in the built-in microphone, in the built-in output right here, you'll want to actually take the built-in microphone icon right here and actually come down here, right click, and choose use this device for sound input, so that the microphone is right down here. Also in the multi-output device, you'll also want to right click, use this device for sound output, so that the little speaker icon shows up in the bottom right corner. An extra added feature here, if you wanted to click on this and rename this, you can do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and not rename it, just to keep it simple. Same with this, you can do that as well and rename it if it makes it easier for you to find these devices here. Okay, I'm on YouTube and I'm just going to click the first video I see, and which is Matthew McConaughey. And it should already be recording this little ad here. So I'm just going to pause this ad, and as you can hear, I'm also speaking, so it should be good to go. Alright, yeah, that's a pretty good example. So if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe for future content. And remember, I want to connect with you because your value connects with me.